Hey, what's up? It's Mary Pascoe, yo. And today we're making stuffed shells with ricotta. I have made stuffed shells with tofu in the past if you want a vegan option. Start with a big old tub of ricotta cheese. We're gonna add in Parmesan and Romano cheese and some mozzarella and a cage-free egg. Mix it all together. Preheat the oven for 350 and parboil, about half boil, your shells. Always make sure you're washing your hands really well and clean as you go. Sometimes I like to make my own tomato sauce, but today we're just gonna go with my favorite Prego fresh mushroom. It's delicious, it's inexpensive, I love it. For everyday use, hey, it's quick and easy. When we're ready to stuff, we start with a nice little layer of sauce right in our pan. Yeah. It's time to stuff the first shell. Oh, you can use a spoon. I'm just gonna use my hands because they're very clean. Just scoop and poop. Scoop and ploop. Just like so. So easy. It's so easy. And then just place it in there. Boom. Scoop. Bloop. If you have kids, they would love to help with this part. And they would be good at it. Just make sure they wash their hands really well. We got one layer all set, so we're gonna put some sauce on it. And much like if we were making lasagna, we're gonna add a layer of mozzarella. Now our second layer is done, so we do the same thing. More sauce, more cheese, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. And into the oven she goes. Cook for about 15 minutes or so, but you know, ovens and times and temperatures vary, so keep your eye on it. I really overstuffed this, so I'm gonna do a little trick to save the oven. Just place it on top of the cookie sheet so that anything that comes over will just land here. Have fun in there. Alexa had just let me know that 10 minutes have passed, so let's take a look. Man's back there. Hi, Ryan. Hey. We're gonna put 5 more minutes on the timer, but we're also going to turn the heat on the oven down to 250 just to be safe. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, starting now. In the meantime, we're gonna make a delicious side dish of some yummy and healthy asparagus. We're gonna cook it with some fresh garlic. Mwah! It's gonna be delicious. For our asparagus, we just need a cutting board, one of our fabulous Rachel Ray knives, I'm also going to use a smaller Rachel Ray knife for the garlic. Get yourself a nice fresh garlic bulb. It's bulbous. And we're probably going to use 3 cloves or so. Depends on how much asparagus you're making and how garlicky you like it. We're going to use 3 cloves. Just trim off the ends first. And remember, clean as you go. Just keep on getting rid of whatever you can as you can. Got my dog sniffing around, hoping I drop stuff. This is my favorite part. Be careful with this, of course, but you're gonna smash the garlic bulb with your knife. So you just place it on there. Yeah! Peel off everything so that it's just the naked bulb. It's really easy to peel after you've smashed it. And then we slice. And dice. Oh, Alexa. Alexa, stop timer. Gonna heat our pan on a very low heat. Pretty much the lowest heat you can. And once it's heated up, we're going to add a little EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. And then we're gonna add the garlic. Just let it brown up a smidge. And then we're gonna add the asparagus. Woo! A nice thorough washing. Just gonna trim the ends. Such a nice, beautiful asparagus. All it really needs is a little salt. That's it. Oh, that is so ready. Just give it a nice little shake. Don't have to do much to it. It really cooks itself. You can turn up the heat though. We have a screener of Vice, so we're gonna watch this while we eat. I'm super excited. This movie looks so good. So I'm gonna start plating, and by the time I get the shells plated, the asparagus should be ready. Oh, mama! Yum! Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Ryan, for helping me film this last part. Oh gosh, it looks so good. Oh. And thank you, Ryan, for buying all the ingredients. You're a wonderful man. And I appreciate you.
You're a wonderful woman, and I appreciate you.
gonna be so good. I am going to actually taste test it just to make sure that we put the appropriate amount of salt on. It's really good. I'm gonna add just a pinch more, and you know what else I'm gonna add? Ryan will be happy about this. Red chili flakes.
Oh my gosh.
Here, Ryan, you can have this.
Thank you.
I'm just adding a tiny bit more heat. We got the heat from the chili flake and the heat from the stove. Just quick little char action. And let it all meld together. And that's it. Now when we taste test, it's going to be perfect. Oh yeah. Let's eat it. Oh, so good. I'm so excited. Throw a little extra garlic on there. Let me know how this turns out if you make it at home. Oh, I'm so excited to eat it right now. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, and we look forward to hearing about all your food stuffs. What kind of food you like, and what do you want us to make, and you know, we love you. Thank you, Lord, for this meal. The moment of truth.